Did you know that 40 to 50% of marriages in the United States end in divorce? Now what if I told you that herbs could potentially play a role in reducing that statistic? Yes, you heard right. Nature's green wonders, herbs, might just hold the secret to a resilient and thriving relationship. We live in a world where stress, miscommunication, and emotional disconnect often strain our relationships, especially the marital ones. But what if the solution to these issues was growing right in our backyard, or available at our local health store? Today we're exploring 3 different types of herbs that have shown promise in restoring and revitalizing relationships: Ashwagandha, Chamomile, and Holy Basil. Each with their unique properties, these herbs could potentially help us navigate the complexities of our relationships. Ashwagandha, often referred to as Indian ginseng, is an adaptogenic herb, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress. It promotes relaxation, enhances vitality, improves cognitive function, supports better sleep, reduces inflammation, and even boosts the immune system. Imagine the impact on your relationship when you're more relaxed, thinking clearly, and feeling healthier. Next on our list is chamomile. You might know chamomile as that soothing tea that helps you unwind after a long day, but it's more than just a sleep aid. This calming herb aids digestive health, reduces inflammation, promotes skin health, provides menstrual relief, and even offers allergy relief. Feeling good physically can often translate into feeling good emotionally, positively influencing our relationships. And lastly, we have Holy Basil, a sacred herb in Hindu culture. Known for its stress-relieving properties, Holy Basil also supports immune functions, aids digestive health, has anti-inflammatory effects, provides respiratory support, and even has potential cardiovascular health benefits. These herbs are available in various forms and are generally safe for most people when taken in recommended doses. But remember, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. So, could these herbs be the secret to a stronger, healthier relationship? Let's delve deeper. First, let's explore ashwagandha, also known as Indian ginseng. This intriguing herb hails from ancient Indian medicine and has been used for centuries to rejuvenate and invigorate the body and mind. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb. Now you might be thinking, adapto what? Well, adaptogens are a unique category of plants that support the body's ability to deal with stress. They help you adapt, hence the name. And in our fast-paced, high-stress world, who couldn't use a little help managing stress? Ashwagandha's stress-busting benefits are well documented. Studies have shown that it can lower cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. By keeping our cortisol levels in check, ashwagandha helps promote relaxation and reduce feelings of anxiety. And when we're relaxed and less anxious, we're better able to connect with others, including our partners. Now let's delve deeper into how reducing stress can lead to improved relationships. When we're stressed, our bodies go into fight or flight mode. This can lead to irritability, impatience, and a short fuse. All things that can strain even the strongest of relationships. But when we manage our stress effectively, we're more patient, understanding, and attentive. We listen better. We communicate more effectively. And these are all key elements to a healthy, thriving relationship. Ashwagandha doesn't just stop at stress relief though. It's also known for enhancing energy and vitality, improving cognitive function, supporting better sleep, reducing inflammation, and boosting the immune system. All of these benefits can contribute to a healthier, happier you, which in turn can lead to healthier, happier relationships. It's important to note though that while ashwagandha is generally safe for most people when taken in recommended doses, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. With its stress-busting properties, ashwagandha could be a game-changer in your relationship. So, consider giving ashwagandha a try. You never know, it might just be the key to unlocking a more relaxed, more connected, and more fulfilling relationship. Next, we have chamomile, a herb renowned for its calming properties. This little gem of the herb world is a true powerhouse when it comes to promoting relaxation and aiding sleep. Picture this. It's been a long and stressful day. Work has been hectic, the kids have been demanding, and the house is a mess. You're feeling frazzled, and the tension is beginning to seep into your relationship. You're both on edge, snapping at each other over the smallest things. It's not a pleasant situation for anyone involved. This is where chamomile comes into the picture. Known for its calming and soothing properties, chamomile encourages relaxation. It's like a soft, comforting blanket for your nervous system, helping to ease away the stress and tension of the day. As you begin to relax, you'll find that your mind starts to quieten, your thoughts become less frantic, and your body feels lighter. And when we're calm and relaxed, we're better able to communicate with our partners. We're less likely to snap, more likely to listen, and more open to understanding their perspective. Suddenly, that mountain of dishes doesn't seem like such a big deal, and you're able to laugh off the kids' antics rather than getting frustrated. But that's not all. Chamomile is also known for aiding sleep. How many times have you laid awake at night, your mind buzzing with worries and what-ifs? Or perhaps you've found yourself tossing and turning, unable to get comfortable. Chamomile can help with that. Its gentle, calming effects can help to promote a good night's sleep, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated in the morning. Sleep is incredibly important for our overall well-being and our relationships. When we're well rested, we're more patient, more understanding, and more able to cope with the stresses of everyday life. We're better partners, better parents, and better friends. So, if you're looking for a natural way to promote relaxation and aid sleep, why not give chamomile a try? You'll be amazed at the difference it can make to your mood, your stress levels, and your relationship. Imagine the wonders a well-rested and calm mind can do for your relationship. That's the power of chamomile. Last but not least, we have holy basil, a sacred herb in Hindu culture. This herb, also known as tulsi, holds a revered status in the world of natural remedies. It's not just a plant, but a symbol of sanctity and purity, often found in many Hindu households. But today we dive deeper into the therapeutic properties of this sacred herb and its potential benefits for relationships. Holy basil is an adaptogenic herb, a unique class of healing plants that help balance, restore, and protect the body. They help us adapt to the various stresses of life, both physical and emotional. And let's face it, relationships, especially those of the romantic kind, can sometimes be a source of stress. This is where holy basil steps in. This herb is known for its potent stress-relieving properties. It helps in reducing the levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, in our bodies. By doing so, it promotes mental clarity and calmness. Imagine being able to discuss and resolve conflicts without the fog of stress clouding your judgment. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, holy basil could help make it a reality. But the benefits of holy basil don't stop there. This herb is a powerhouse of health benefits. It supports the immune system, has antioxidant abilities, aids digestive health, has anti-inflammatory effects, and provides respiratory support. It even has potential cardiovascular health benefits. When we're in good health, we naturally have more energy and positivity to invest in our relationships. Incorporating holy basil into your routine can be as simple as brewing a cup of tulsi tea, or adding a few drops of its essential oil to your diffuser. However, it's important to remember that while herbs can be beneficial, they are not a substitute for professional help in case of serious relationship issues or health conditions. So, could holy basil be the missing ingredient in your relationship recipe? It's worth considering. After all, a relationship thrives on patience, understanding, and a dash of holy basil. Holy basil, with its array of health benefits, could be the missing ingredient in your relationship recipe. Now, you might be wondering, how do these herbs stack up against traditional relationship therapies? Well, let's take a moment to compare. Traditional couples therapy focuses on resolving conflicts and improving communication. But what about the underlying stress and tension that often fuels these conflicts? That's where herbs like ashwagandha, chamomile, and holy basil come in. They help manage those stress levels, promote relaxation, and enhance overall well-being. It's a holistic approach, addressing both mind and body. And the best part, it's all natural. No synthetic chemicals or side effects to worry about. These herbs offer a gentle yet effective way to enhance your relationship's health, without the potential pitfalls of pharmacological interventions. Of course, therapy has its own benefits, and it's always a good idea to seek professional help when needed. So, while therapy has its place, don't underestimate the power of these potent herbs. In conclusion, while herbs aren't a magic bullet, they could certainly contribute to a healthier, happier relationship. To recap, ashwagandha, Indian ginseng, can help your body adapt to stress, enhancing your energy, vitality, and cognitive function. Chamomile, known for its calming properties, can promote relaxation and aid in digestive health, among other benefits. Lastly, holy basil, a revered herb in Hindu culture, supports stress relief, immune function, and overall well-being with its adaptogenic properties. Remember, these herbs are generally safe for most people when taken in recommended doses. But as with any new supplement regimen, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. Give these herbs a try and see the difference for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights.